In front of me I've got Denver SDQ-52001G, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then tap on the More icon and go to History. Here you should pick Clear Browsing Data, and now you've got basic and advanced options. So under basic you will find browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cached images and files. And then under advanced you have a few more, which are saved passwords, out of uniform data, and site settings. Just mark those that you would like to delete, then pick the time range, so just click on time range and decide if you would like to remove history from past hour, past 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. I will choose all time because I would like to erase it fully, and then click on clear data. And this is it. As you can see, the browsing data has been cleared. Congrats! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.